saying goodbye wasn't as easy as I thought. I've spent most of the morning crying. Everything's gone. All my memories. But they're in my heart. All my children grew up here. They were all born in this house. They brought their grandchildren, my grandchildren. It's like, yeah, it's all gone. Just an empty home. As my daughter said to me the other day, she said, "Mum, it's not the home. You and Dad are the home." Look, all empty. But so many memories. This was the hardest room, it was my daughter's room. And I brought her home when she was 3 or 4 days old. And I remember her putting her in her little cot, in a little bassinet, rubbing her up. And it was hard because she loved this room. It was hard for her to say goodbye to this room too. So emotional. And as part of letting go of the next chapter. So many people have entered into this front door. So many guests. So many friends. So many family. All come in. 45 years of dinners, people dropping by. And now that, you know, friends come by and they say, "Well, so sad because you're not going to be here." Just wanted to show you and share with you that it's not easy to make a big change, but you have to embrace your dreams and you have to embrace the goal and your desires to let go of the past, because the past seems to be gripped in your soul and in your heart, but you've got to let it go and you've got to keep moving forward. Wish me well on the next chapter, because now we're going to be driving and the car is full. I'll show you. Just by saying that, my emotions have changed and I feel really excited to share with you and show you how it's my front of my house. The palm trees that we planted when they were babies. And this is our car. Full to the brim. The trailer's full to the brim. I'll just show you how full my boot is. Full to the brim. But I let go of a lot more things than I thought that I could. And wow, a new chapter coming. See the palm trees? We put the palm trees up to remind us of Queensland. Every year when we went, we thought, we need these, put the palm trees to remind us of Queensland. Look how big this palm tree is there. Oh, hang on. They're over 30 years old. And we just wanted to remind us of Queensland. So friends, a new chapter is coming. I'll see you on the next video.